So let me start and get the elephant out of the room right away. How is Naturals doing, sir? What are you doing differently?
Yeah, life is difficult and life is different, but that's the new normal. When the situation is, when your mind is weak, situation will look like a problem. When
Right,
your mind is normal, same situation will look like a challenge.
right.
When your mind is strong, same situation will look like an opportunity.
Absolutely. Wow, I love that.
Corona is the Corona is the new thing which is nobody is aware. None of the country is aware. Companies are not aware. Individuals are not aware, and even the families are not aware of how to handle because nobody knew the depth and the breadth of the problem.
Right.
And that's exactly how the life was. And ours is no different. Um, but fast forward 1 year and 3 months now from now, which is 2021 December. 70% of the people will say, "Hey, my life was good, and the Corona came. Because of that, my company has reduced my salary, or sent me home." Or some business people will say, "Hey, my business was going well. Corona came, and my people have gone. Customers are not coming now. Government is not helping." And that's the thing. The 70% of the people will say, but 30% of will say people will say, "Hey, thank you, Corona. And because of you, I have learned some new skill. And because of the new skill, I have become far more contributive to the company. And the company has now raised my salary 2 times. I'm very happy." And some companies will say, "Hey, because of Corona, before Corona, I was running very fast. I was not knowing what all the challenges. When you are running fast, there are so many problems around you. It gave me a time to pause, correct few of my mistake, learn some new tricks, drop some new services, and introduce some new things. And because of that, I have become far more profitable." And that's what the 30% of the people will say. The difference is we need to reinvent physically, reinvent mentally, reinvent financially, and reinvent business models. And those are the people who are going to be successful in Corona. When it comes to salon business, before Corona, people used to look at the brand name, the plush interiors. The stylist will play a very important role. Type of products I'm using, the promotion, the price, and whether it is near my office or home. That was the criteria they used to select a salon. But after COVID, only one criteria: is it safe for me? Earlier, we used to use standard operating procedures for doing all our service. Now it is called Operation Standard Protocol. Imagine you are going into a hospital. That is so much the care we are taking when a customer is coming to the salon.
Wow.
Even the asymptomatic customer and the smile provider, we call them the smile provider, will not transmit to one person to another. That's that much care we are taking. However, the customer is still not ready, especially the women folks are still not coming out. There is a fear. There is a what you call need is not very this thing, and lot of people are staying home. Because of that, the salon business is in trouble at this point of time. However, we need to, this is hanging on power. Tough times never last, tough people do. Whoever has got the nerve and the strength to hang on for another 6 months will reap great rewards. But in the meanwhile, we need to survive. I have introduced safety kits. I have used to introduce, this is one of my product, handy
Wow.
sanitizers. Okay, I've introduced the wipes. This is the disinfectant wipes. I've introduced disinfectant spray. I've introduced masks, 3-layer mask, 5-layer mask, and the safety first has become the new mantra for us, and that's something which we have done. The second one is we have introduced home service now. Earlier, the people used to come to the, if what do you call, Muhammad is not coming to the mountain, mountain will go to Muhammad. So now we are going to the customers, customers and what do you call, attending to them. That's the second thing we have done. And I have also recently launched something called Namma Cafe. It's called Mera Cafe.
I've
It is
heard
a
that,
it
yes.
is a tea for 10 rupees. Yeah, it is a tea for 10 rupees. Large opportunity, business at the bottom of the pyramid. And that's exactly what we have done. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. And that's what we are doing at this point of time.